Hi everyone, it's Jason at eVTOL Insights with your latest news update on Friday, May the 14th. Urban Airport is partnering with Altitude Angel and Safeguard Vertiports to work on the world's first infrastructure programme, which is backed by the UK government. The project will involve designing safe and clean connect air architecture for future air taxis and autonomous logistics drones. All three companies will now work together to design, develop and showcase operational air architecture at the Urban Airport Air One site in Coventry later this year. NASA estimates more than 70% of the potential urban air mobility structure is dependent on infrastructure. Urban Airport's Air One project is a world-first hub for future air taxis, drones and ground-based electric transport such as cars, e-bikes and e-scooters. Urban Airport plans to develop more than 200 sites around the world in the next 5 years to meet global demand. Thanks so much for watching. You can read the full story at our website evtolinsights.com as well as our Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter pages.